Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama outside another May spring kickoff home. This one's called the Ossian. It's a 28 by 60 and I gotta tell you, I put the whole lot on clearance this month. So check out www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com. You can see all of our floor plans and find out our address too. And let's talk about the exterior of this baby. I did a bump out. This is the master bedroom. When we go inside the house, you'll see that. So you can bump out areas of the homes. You can do it in the front, but not just the front. I didn't do it, but you could add some windows and bump something out over here if you wanted to. So what does that? It just gives your house some character, right? Some charisma if you have you. So some curb appeal. So I wanted to make sure I balanced out the home with the dormers, because many times I've seen them come offline with one dormer on the end and it just looks, I don't know, weird. Like it's heavy down here, right? So balance the dormers by adding one over the living room. Added some lineal trims around the windows. We've got two things to offer: lineal trims or shutters. Shutters are the traditional, and then the lineal trims gives you more of a modern look. Kept it simple on the outside as far as colors go. We did a flint gray on the outside. This is a new thing that I've been doing in the lot called a strong skirt. Excuse me, it's Friday, cut me some slack. It's a steel skirt. So what's great about it, and you can add as many of these access doors as you like. Anybody who's ever had vinyl skirt knows that you have to pull the skirting out and take it completely off, but you don't have to do that here. You just slide over the skirt and you have an easy access to underneath your home if you ever need to get under there. So that's the great thing about steel skirt. Plus, if you're weed eating, you're not going to weed eat right through the skirting. So available in many different colors. That's an option that we can help you out with. Electrical outlet on the front and a frost-free faucet. Those are always standard features on all of our homes. In the front, you can add one to the back if you like. Here's something I may not have talked about before. If you want to add them anywhere else in the home, that's okay too, except the frost-free faucets cannot go on an end wall. Ends of the home are called end walls. They can, however, go anywhere you want on a sidewall, within reason. You can't line the whole thing up with them, but within reason. And this is just a small upgrade to add. Walking into the home, it's always nice to dress up your front door. So this is a Craftsman door with 6 windows at the top, available in white or black. And so are our windows. You can black out the windows too. Now walking into the front of the home, this is a 28 by 60. And what do you notice right off the bat? The drywall, right? This is a whole different world with drywall. 1/2-inch thickness on the drywall with a 2 by 6 exterior wall behind that drywall. And the way that we fasten this drywall to the studs is we do not use any drywall screws. So you'll never see a nail pop. We use an expanding foam, which is like the great stuff on steroids, right? Super heavy duty and strength, like crazy, like, you know, Hulk Hogan or whatever. I don't know why I just said that. The Incredible Hulk. Okay, there you go. Super heavy duty, but really light, so the homes can travel down the road. All right, wide open to the kitchen. You can see that over there. Added some blinds, added a ceiling fan, added some nice white profile trim at the top. This is just the standard carpet. This is an optional feature of the Ossian. It's called a floating vanity. Give you guys my signature wave. Hi, it's Friday, TGIF. And right behind the door, you're gonna see something that's really a must-have in your home. You either need to be able to put your coats right when you walk in the door, or if you're gonna use maybe the utility room as a mud room, just make sure you have somewhere to put those coats, shoes, boots, hats, whatever climate you're in. Okay, wide open to the kitchen. And look at this. This is the home that is famous for the hidden pantry. And can you tell where it's at? Is it behind the optional 081 island with lots of storage? No. It's over here. Looks like a cabinet, just an extra tall cabinet, but when you open up the doors, you've got a pantry. And this pantry is super duper long. Lots of storage here. Now standard, this is going to come with some wire racks, but optional, you can add the wooden pantry organizer. I upgraded the cabinets with a hardwood Ozark Shadow. We do still carry the gray, but we call it boho now. Same color, just a different name. And you can see here that it's actual hardwood because it looks like puzzle pieces put together. And also the gray is only available in a hardwood. What else did I do? Cabinets to the ceiling. Full walls of tile. 1, 2, 3. Black cabinet handles. An appliance package, so a side-by-side made by Whirlpool, side-by-side with ice and water in the door, with a dishwasher and a microwave over the range. Where to go next? Let's head this way. Coming into the living room, off to the left is the primary bedroom. And look what happens when you bump out that windowsill. It gets extra large, right? Instead of the smaller windowsill, the windowsill is included in the bump out. Added a ceiling fan in here. Hey, the reason you see all these ceiling fans is because, whoo, doggy, in the summer, it gets toasty in here. So, master closet with an optional closet organizer. Now, standard would have some wire racks that would just go down and around. And I know you guys want to hear the price, so it's on clearance right now. As I'm standing in it, probably looking at about $140 on clearance. Make sure you come see me this month. This is the month. This is the spring kickoff where got everything marked down. This is a Palisades shower. It's brand new for us for 2026. And it's just like our fiberglass shower, except you're gonna have a nice tile surround. So that's good. It's kind of like a faux tile. You have to come and visit and feel it to know what I'm talking about. Fiberglass base, always a fiberglass base. Added a 30 by 36 window. I'm a big fan of at least one window in the bathroom. You don't have to go overboard or put some big picture window in here, right? Just something to let the fresh air in. Optional second sink. You can go with just one. And also, if you wanted to leave the window out and put maybe some kind of window over here, you could extend this vanity and give you some cabinets and some extra drawers. Behind the door, we've got a linen closet. Storage, storage, storage. Everywhere. Champion Homes. We love storage. And then, did you see how I just walked in one big circle to get right back to the master bedroom? Okay, trying to keep this short and sweet. I can't help it, okay? I just want to talk about these homes. The dining area, we can easily do a patio door. That's no problem. Another ceiling fan. And then here's bedroom number 2 and number 3. These are the same size. Exactly the same. And what a nice feature. You kind of like this, have like this baseball diamond to go into the bedroom. So just those little cosmetic things can really take a room up a notch. Again, exact same size. Now, this is a 28 by 60. I want to remind you guys that we can stretch homes. So maybe you want this to be a 64. So maybe you need at least one larger bedroom between these two. You could stretch that wall out by 4 feet. Here we go with the guest bath, bath number 2. Extended vanity. Carried the backsplash through. By the way, in the drywall package, you're gonna have 1 row of backsplash. Change those lights to be 2-arm vanity lights that hang over the mirror. That's $85, and it just takes the home up a notch. All right, back into the utility room. We've got a back door here. No problem to move that door over to the side if you're looking to add a garage. And we also do fire doors. So if you're adding a garage, I need to know that so I can change your door. And finally, here's the washer dryer area. Added a furnace door and a wire shelf over the washer and dryer. So this is 28 by 60, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot. We call it the Ossian. It's on display, one of my show homes. This baby will be here until probably September. And yeah, there you have it. We do this in 3 sizes, the same floor plan. And as always, thank you for watching.